Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute time frame and looking at the main scenario still, where we had this as an A wave, B wave, and then looking for C wave coming down. Since yesterday's video, we had a pump here, taking out the previous structure over here, meaning that we can't have the wave 2 here. Now, the wave 2, of course, had the possibility of going here, and I think Jonathan's count had that possibility as one scenario as well. Yep. And we are still tracking this idea coming downwards more. Now, it is possible that we have this, instead of the labeled what I have here as a WXY, we can have this as an A, B, and C, where we would be expecting a 5-way structure in here, where we would have possible 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm not sure if I want to be saying another 1, 2, maybe 3 nested patterns here for a structure like this. But yeah, it is very much of a possibility. The golden pocket is all the way up in here, around 21k, at which we have some of the targets here as well. 1.618 here as well, and the 2.236. The 2.236 is again from here, meaning that we would have a wave 1 here too. Why I don't like this as a 5-wave structure if we are placing the wave 5 at the top here, is just because the this possible wave 4 would be so deep. Of course, it is possible having this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5. And at that point, we would just move this projection up a bit. At that point, we don't have any confluence here either with this labeling or with this measuring. So I kind of like to have it here as well. With this in mind, we would also have the 1.618, 1.236, and the 0.5 fib lining up very well at 20.5k. At that point, we do have this highest peak here, where we still probably have some liquidity left after these highs have been now taken out as well. So if the price gets here, there is definitely a possibility for short setups. Now, on a bit lower time frame, we can be looking at this as definitely a 5-way move from here. Now, it is possible that we have this as an ABC. That would fit the wave Y idea here. And if we are climbing a bit higher, then that would be very good looking. Now, let's see, did we have anything here? Not really anything on the drop here. Let's take a look at the volume here as well. Nothing really here. Let's see if that changes a bit, because we had this structure over here, but we have already climbed through it, so it's not that valuable anymore. We'll see if we get stuck here or if we are just gonna turn down. We are already having hit the 1-to-1 extension, of course, of this one, so there is a possibility that we are just going to come down here. On smaller time frames, we did have divergences starting to form here from these highs. On 5-minute, we did have this divergence, and these definitely feel like 5-way moves here. Let's see. Well, this is not as clear, probably something like that. So it is possible that we are coming down. Now, before having more confidence that this whole thing is coming down now, is that we could be looking for some kind of 5-way move downwards, taking out this previous structure over here. Again, it is very typical for higher time frame structures on 5-way structures to get stuck into the previous wave 4 if they want to be continuing up. If they want to be coming down again, they would be breaking the previous wave 4 here, and that would be one of the signals coming down. And this would be something that we would be looking at the moment. If it does that 5-way structure, then it is very possible to take out these lows. If it just does a 3-way structure and continues up, then there is more to the upside, at least for scalping. But yeah, that would be the areas I would be looking at. 20.5k is the area I'm very interested in, more shorts. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at this moment for Bitcoin for today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Links to our free Discord server in the description below, and for now, thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you next video, bye bye.